Hello, Mrs. Cochran here again. So what we're going to do now is another one that looks like a weaving. And you can see I started it up here. What I did is I created a grid. And I just happened to do it in pencil first because I was trying to make sure that I was doing things where I wanted them. You can do this in marker if you feel comfortable. I'm actually going to outline this now with my marker now that I am happy with where it is. And when you do this, just make sure, as in any of the ones that start with a grid, we are going to make sure that everything is perpendicular to one another when they cross, and make sure everything is parallel when you're doing the lines that go in one direction. All right, so I have my grid. What I'm going to do now is start adding in some more lines. The one we're doing right now is called Up and Across. So you can see the Up and Across one looks a lot like a weaving. And again, it's just alternating patterns like before. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start by creating a thick line that goes through the middle. But I only want to do every other one. So I'm skipping in between. And then I'm going to go a little bit lower. And I'm going to add another line. And then I can just color that in. And now what I want to do is go the other direction for the ones that are in between. Oops. And I can just start filling the other ones in too if I want to, because I know they're going to be there too. Same thing as before. We want to make this a little bit thicker. Okay, so you can see we're starting to make a pattern. You can see we have two of these vertical ones. So in the middle, we want that one to be a horizontal one. And then we know that this over here is also going to be horizontal, so we can fill that in as we go. Now we know this one has to be vertical because it's the opposite in the pattern.